What an amazing car this is. One owner from new, 2019, 19 registration, Audi Q8 S-Line, the 50 TDI, which produces around 286 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 6.3 seconds, and still giving you over 40 miles per gallon combined. Today with the live pricing, this car is only 46,990, and that is a lot of car for the money. Tremendous machine. It's a SUV with coupe styling. The stance on this car is amazing. You see it at the start of the video, it's got the fancy lights on it, front and rear, LED daytime running lights, full LED headlights, and then with it being the S-Line, the finishing touches on this car is absolutely tremendous. You've got the S-Line bumpers with the great big grills in the front sections, front rear parking sensors. Just look at it, it looks amazing. In the Daytona metallic grey, this car looks super aggressive, but very sophisticated at the same time. It's just super cool. And like I said, it's quite a new addition to the Audi family. Spec-wise, I'll go through it all. You've got the upgraded 21-inch alloy wheels, which is the S-Line wheels. Again, absolutely damage-free, no curb damage, no corrosion, nothing like that. But as you look down the side, you'll see just the lines of it. It's a very chunky car, but it is a new model Audi. So let me quickly just turn the ignition. If you go that way for me, you'll see when I just turn the ignition on, this one, just from every angle, with that carry-on one-strip rear brake light system, again with the individual LED rear lighting system there, it just looks great from every single angle. How big is that back end? But it's still very easy to use. I have driven one myself, and I find them just, they look amazing. And remember, it's 46,990. You've got half leather interior, half alcantara. You've got the ambient lighting system on the centre dash, on the middle dash, the door cards. Remember, it's a Quattro, so it is four-wheel drive. Again, you have more alcantara down here. Fully fitted matte front and rear, and you have the S-Line entry kick plates as well. But if you move in here for 1 second, this one has a couple of extras. One big one is this, the panoramic tilt and sliding sunroof, which is amazing. The whole interior cabin's changed, so you've got the ceramic touchscreen media system, the ceramic glass on the heating system with the heated seats, the dual zone climate control, drive select button so you can choose if you want sport, sport plus, comfort, dynamic. You can choose all that, or you can go individual. You've got the virtual live cockpit, so your navigation has that full Google Maps on there. Look at that there, how easy is that? That's amazing. Normal assist, so you've got like park assist and everything else. But just the finish on the car, even to the quality of the wood that's on it. The wood's down the side here and there as well. Automatic gearbox with paddle shift. I just think it looks great. It's a good height, not too high because some cars can be, and it's a torture to get in and out of. Another good thing, which there isn't many of, with it being a big 4x4 still, it has got frameless doors because it's coupe styling, and that goes for front and back. So again, when the windows are down, it looks, again, $1 million. 5-seater vehicle, ISOFIX attachments, 3-point seat belts for all the passengers. You've also got the centre armrest, which comes down in just in there. But look at the legroom and headroom. The quality of the leather. The Q8's a very nice top-end four-wheel drive. And I think this is brilliant. The power that it produces, the running cost, and the styling. Automatic tailgate. The reversing camera is an extra, and then you've got this very nice generous boot. If you're a business person, you can put lots of work gear in there. If you're a family person, pushchairs, shopping, anything and everything, it does it. Underneath there's foam kits, lock and wheel, that kind of stuff. You've got the partial shelf, which covers all your valuables. Press that, and it closes away. If you look down, you'll notice as well, you've got the F1 style rear diffuser. So again, has that more sporty, flared look to it. Rear spoiler, and you've got the shark fin aerial right at the top. Sun protection glass, no car goes without one of them. With regards damage, absolutely zero damage in the car. There's no dents or scratches. Remember, it is a one-owner vehicle from new with full service history, so it has been looked after very well. 2 keys, which is very important. You've got your driver memory seats there, electric windows and mirrors just down there. And then if you come back in here, you'll see straight away you've got, as I mentioned before, that beautiful digital virtual live cockpit, which gives all the information that you want plus more. Over here, just behind, you've got the cruise control. You've got steering column adjustment, which is in and out and up and down. Obviously you have the S-line steering wheel there, automatic headlights and window wipers, but at night that ambient lighting just looks brilliant. It glows the whole thing up. The media system, which is Bluetooth, DB digital radio, that's all there as well. Twin cup holders down here. Underneath here you've got a wireless charger, and you've also got USBs, and then you've got automatic hold for the handbrake and the electronic parking brake as well, just there. If you look at the finish, the whole piano black and the wood contrasting colours are great. Condition of the driver's seat has been very well maintained, because sometimes what you'll find is they do the crack, the tear, and they look a little bit rough at times, but this one, absolutely nothing like that at all. If you're not going to use a sunroof, you can close it, and there is also electric blind just underneath that'll cover it, so you want no light to come in whatsoever. Some other little finer touches, like your interior mood light or reading lights and stuff, it's all just touch. You just tap it on, tap it off. And then here, this is an absolute frameless, just glass piece for the rear auto dimming interior mirror there, which is a nice little touch as well. For me, with 32,000 miles on, Q8 50 TDI S-Line in the beautiful colour, amazing specifications, because remember, when I looked earlier, there was a few available, but they didn't have the best wheels on. They didn't have the panoramic roof, the reversing camera. So there's a few bits that this car's got that I think makes it stand out, and it is genuinely, it's just a stunning car. From the start, which is the bonnet, the big grille, all the way to the side. If you look at the lines, just the way it goes, you compare this to another big 4x4 with coupe starting at 4690, you just won't get the same that this car's going to give you. Awesome opportunity to buy an awesome car. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, bye bye.